one of the things that's tough for white folk is fear. Fear of offending somebody, fear of exposing an ignorance, fear of getting beat up around the ears for the sins of one's ancestors. And that fear has people kind of timid and in their turtle shell and leaning out and so forth. And it's difficult for a lot of white folk because it's kind of like been highly insulated from racial discomfort. It's getting harder to stay isolated from racial discomfort as we become more diverse and the issues are better articulated and more in your face than previously. But you, like most white Americans, have a racially homogenous favorites list on their smartphone. We're still pretty segregated. And you can travel the world and someone will accommodate you and speak to you in English. So there's a certain musculature that gets exercised in mixed company that's not getting exercised enough. As a result, it's like you've skipped leg day for life, and now somebody wants you to go to the gym for leg day. And they're telling you it's good for you. But the thought sounds horrible. And you might have even tried it one day, and it didn't feel good at all. And so it's like, I'm going to go home and watch Netflix. But don't skip leg day. That's the message for white folk. Don't skip leg day. Go to the gym. It's good for you. And I cannot promise it'll feel good. It might not feel good. But if you keep going, you can acclimate to it, and it can actually start to feel good. And above all, you're getting stronger, and then you're ready to do your part of the lift. For people of color, it's a different message. There, people are dealing with frustration, anger, and exhaustion. Like, do I really have to explain it again? And patiently wait again? When we don't get to live as long? Come on. And so there the message is, yeah, you do need to explain it again. You can't chase everybody away from the table and complain about eating alone. You got to go to the gym too, and you got to spot people. And that's part of the lift. And that also will be exasperating. You can't just coddle everyone else's discomfort because they've been so insulated from leg day, but we do have to do our part of the lift.